Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Netdata from your VPS safely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Netdata from your VPS, access your server via SSH. Log in using your root user or a user with sudo privileges. Once logged in, check the current status of Netdata by running the command system+status netdata. This command will confirm whether Netdata is currently running. If it is active, you'll want to stop the service before proceeding with the uninstallation. To stop the service, enter system+stop netdata. Next, disable the Netdata service to prevent it from starting automatically in the future. Use the command system+disable netdata. Now that the service is stopped and disabled, you can proceed to remove Netdata from your system. To uninstall Netdata, run the following command, which depends on your installation method. If you installed it using the installer script, execute /usr/lib/netdata/netdata_uninstaller.sh. If your installation followed a different method, you may need to remove its package, often with a command like apt-get remove netdata for Debian/Ubuntu. On CentOS or RHEL systems, use yum remove netdata. After the package has been removed, you should also delete any remaining Netdata configuration files. Navigate to the configuration directory with the command rmrf/etc/netdata/. Next, check for any residual directories or files that may have been created during the installation. Remove the Netdata log files by entering rmrf/var/log/netdata/. Lastly, it's a good idea to clean up any dependencies that are no longer needed. You can do this by using apt-get auto-remove for Debian/Ubuntu or yum auto-remove for CentOS/RHEL. Once all of these steps are complete, you have successfully uninstalled Netdata from your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.